Good afternoon everybody, and now guys, I have here a rice cake. Ito siya, I forgot to take this out early, so nagiging super brown siya guys. But this one, oh look at that, super yummy siya. Look at the color, super yummy siya. It's a rice cake. But guys, ang ating rice cake na maliit, I have here 8 pieces. Tatlo na lang naiwan dahil gibanat. I baked this last night, so all of us have 1 each. And then this morning, the other one get 2. And now guys, it's merienda time. Super yummy. Daddy is wondering why there's a lot of holes, you know? It's because of the yeast. So I feel sad with this one. This should be very pretty. But ayan guys, super itim na siya, but this one is perfectly cooked. But anyway guys, ang ating rice cake is so yummy, but this rice cake is with rice flour and glutinous rice flour. I baked this last night, but this time guys, it's umaga na. When I take it out warm guys, oh, it's so good and it's very soft. But it should be bibingka. It's Daddy who picked up my girls, so mommy have a really good time sitting here and have my merienda by myself. They already ate their merienda, you know. I cannot video them, I cannot film them, so I'll let them finish their snacks, and after that mommy will do it para I have my video so that I have something to upload. And sometimes you can hear them talking and laughing and shouting and shrieking. I cannot show their faces, so I respect that. I ate with them and talk with them. At least ganon, di ba? If you eat together, you have some important things to say, some jokes, and some, you know, as a family, you have to talk and share stuff. Before I clean this one, I have my own video. Just by myself. O, di ba? So after they eat, I told them, leave people so that I can have my recording in peace. So I'm alone here, guys, eating by myself, talking by myself, and drinking my coffee by myself. So ayan siya guys, it's very soft. Although hindi siya nag-small, it has to crack guys dahil dapat bibingka siya, but it's very soft. Well guys, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, please click the subscribe button and welcome to Jennifer's Clubhouse. Bye!